Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good afternoon. Ready for DRT?
Yes, Miss. Good morning, Miss. Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good afternoon. Be ready with your TN?
Video kuda on.
Be ready with your TNs? Put the today's date and put the heading Maths DRT.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Very good afternoon. Be ready with your DRTs and put the today's date. Heading Maths DRT. Zaina, you have to tie your hair and come to the class, okay? You shouldn't leave your hair like that, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Put the heading now, everyone. Maths DRT. Write the today's date. I'm going to share you the screen now. Show me a digital thumb, everyone. If you're ready, I'm going to share the screen. See, if you didn't switch on the video, I'm not going to allow you for the test DRT. If you didn't switch on videos. Get ready, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm ready, ma'am.
Miss, I am ready, Miss. I am ready to join. Miss. Miss. Yes, I am ready
for the DRT.
Good afternoon, Miss. Ready to DRT.
Yes, you are ready for the DRT. I'll share you the screen. Wait. Why are you very hurry? Wait. Okay, can you listen to me, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see the screen?
Miss. Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, look at the first question, everyone. Do the
Miss,
following.
how many pages, Miss?
What pages? How many pages?
Miss, asking how many pages, Miss?
Okay, now everyone write fast. First question, add or subtract using column method. So 4 questions are given for you. You have to add A and B and subtract C and D. Start doing, everyone. Morning we already practiced column method. First question, 385 plus 458. I'm zooming the screen for you. Second question, 349 plus 567. Third one, 349 minus 324. And the fourth one, 897 minus 293.
897 minus 94.
Do in column method, everyone. Make it fast. Don't do mistakes, children. You have to carry forward to the next place. If you are done, show me a digital thumb. Sakshit, do you have any doubt, boy? What is your doubt?
Miss, no.
Okay. Write very neatly. All of you should mark ones, tens, hundreds. మార్క్ చేయకపోతే రాదు, కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ రాదు. మార్క్ చేయాలి పైన వన్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్. Finished first question means second question. See, draw pictures to show 3 into 2, 4 into 5, 5 into 6. Morning we practiced how to do 3 into 2, 4 into 5, 5 into 6. You have to draw pictures. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Very neat handwriting I want. If you finish the first question, show me a digital thumb to me. Who finished, they can do second question. Draw pictures to show. Very good, Aniket. Very good, Sakshit. Three into 2, 4 into 5, 5 into 6. Very neatly you have to draw the pictures, very neatly. Fast. Box nanda iye. Yes, who completed 2 questions? Who completed? Fast. Who completed, Nana, 2 questions? Tell me who completed. Draw the pictures very neatly for second question. See, children, don't write the questions. Questions are still right. The only answers. Only answers. Don't write questions. Questions are still right. The only answers. Next one. If you complete 1-2 questions, the third one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is given. So in the fill in the blanks, you have expanded form of 765 is dash. First blank. Second one, rounded off number to 198 is. Third one, 7 more than 61 is. Fourth one, triangle circles pattern is given. And the fifth one, 3 into 6. Only answers. Don't write any questions. Chesnava Vignesh. Where are you, Hiranya Parvati? Are you doing? Prem, are you doing? Prem.
Miss, what is the third Roman? Third question, Miss.
Third Roman, third question, see 7 more than 61 is. That means 61. You have to add 7 more than is given, no? Aravind, doing. Nainika, are you doing, Nainika? What is that, Pragna? What are you doing? Pragna, chesnava leda?
Yes, completed, Miss. Miss, completed.
Good. Sakshi, switch on the
Fill in
video.
the blank.
Fill in the blanks completed. Very good. Fatima, fast. Akshara. Ishwari, complete
Miss?
fast.
Okay, Miss.
Satvik, are you doing by Satvik?
Yes, Miss.
Kartikeya doing?
ఇవన్నీ చెప్తున్నారు.
Grade 3.
Miss, we should expand for first blank.
Yes, expanded form nana. 765 the number is given. No, you have to expand and write.
Okay. Completed with first blank. Miss in third round, Roman in second blank. What, Miss?
Rounded off number to 198. That means morning we did know in estimation putting 2 zeros and looking at the tens place number. Rounded off number. Very good, Aradhya. If you completed, fill in the blanks. Last one, fourth question, draw a cube and cuboid. All of you draw a cube and cuboid. You all know how to draw cube and cuboid. Very neatly you have to draw. Draw a cube and cuboid. Draw a cube and cuboid. Who completed? Fast, children. First question, adding and subtracting. Second question, draw pictures to show 3 into 2, 4 into 5, 5 into 6. And third one, fill in the blanks. And fourth one, draw a cube and cuboid. Ishwari. Chesnava. Hasini Priya. Still who are in first question? Sakshit, first question complete chesava?
Completed.
Vignesh, first question complete chesava?
Complete, Miss.
Good. Havish, did you complete first question?
Yes, Miss. Second question. B1 writing, Miss.
Okay, write fast. Navya, completed?
Miss, completed D1, Miss.
Very good, Aniket.
Thank you, Miss.
I'm closing the first question, children. Still, who is anybody writing? Can I close the first question? Okay.
Yes, okay, Miss.
I'm closing first question and I'm opening. Second one, see, solve the following is given. Solve the following is given. If you complete second question, first one, see. Second question, first one, solve the following is given. Fatima's mother gave her 380 rupees. She spent 145 rupees on a gift for her sister. How much money was Fatima left with? Again, I'm reading the question. Fatima's mother gave her 380 rupees. Fatima is having 380 rupees and she spent 145 rupees. You have to think whether it is addition or subtraction. And you have to do. Asking from friend. You know.
Miss, once tell again.
Fatima's mother gave her 380 rupees, Nana. RS means rupees. She spent 145 rupees on a gift for her sister. She gave a gift to her sister. which is 145 rupees. How much money was Fatima left with now after spending 145? Very neat handwriting I want. You have to write in words. Amount of money. You all know if money comes, you should not write number of రాయకూడదు. Amount of money. Sakshit, did I ask you the answer? Sakshit. Amount of money Fatima has, like that you have to write.
153.
Don't tell me the answer, Nana. Just write. Fatima, really your mother gave you 380 rupees, huh?
No, miss.
No? Then it is in the question. She gave 380.
Also చెప్పాను నేను ఇప్పుడు.
Hey, who is that? Vignesh, switch on the video. Havisha. Meghna, Aradhya. If you don't switch on videos, I'm going to remove you. Jashvita, video.
Next page. Go to the next page. Next page go cube drop on it. Neat scale karwa.
Okay.
Miss, I ordered, miss, when I rejoined.
D go to capital D.
Okay,
Miss,
okay, no problem.
I'm rejoined.
Okay, no problem. Okay, if you completed that Fatima's question and another question is there, that is also word problem. There are 618 red chairs and 198 blue chairs. Chairs in a hall. How many total chairs are there in the hall? Total means addition or subtraction.
Addition.
Yes.
Addition.
And the third question, create a pattern using squares and triangles. With squares and triangles, you have to make a pattern. Still who are writing fill in the blanks? Still who are writing fill in the blanks? Inka 3 fill in the blanks ever kavaledu. Raise your hand who didn't complete. Still who are Kartikeya. Vignesh writing Vignesh, are you writing?
Yes, miss. Miss, I'm writing filling the blanks.
Make it fast. Still who are writing fill in the blanks? Tanish, completed fill in the blanks. Navya. Fill in the blanks completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Then write word problems. Who completed fill? Very good, Aradhya. Who completed fill in the blanks? Write word problems. Don't write questions, only answers. Lasya, are you writing? Havish.
Yes, miss.
Are you writing?
Yes, miss.
Where are you? Fill in the blanks or drawing pictures still?
Filling the blanks.
Make it fast. Zainab, where are you? Zainab.
Also in filling the blanks, miss. Miss, I am in last question, miss.
Yeah, very good. Okay. See, children, 2-word problems are there. After 2-word problems, create a pattern using squares and triangles. Create squares and triangles. Ishwari, are you doing Ishwari?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Hiranya Parvati, do you have any doubt? Hiranya Parvati, do you have any doubts? Hiranya Parvati, are you able to do Tali?
One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five, six,
Yakub, doing?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ma, for 5 is 20 hai kada?
Elasia, mute yourself. Next, creating a pattern over means you have show 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. That means you have to draw pictures for 4 into 3 and 3 into 4. Akshara doing? Pragna,
Wait.
Sakshit,
Miss, what?
are you doing?
Yes, miss.
Make it fast, Sakshit. Where are you in fill in the blanks or word problems?
Word problems.
Okay, good.
Third question.
Good. And the last one, children, estimate. Morning we did estimate, putting 2 zeros and changing the
Yes.
hundreds place.
Zainab completed exam full, miss.
Zainab, full exam completed. Fatima, what happened to
Yes,
you?
miss.
Are you doing?
Miss, shall I send my paper in group, miss? Yes,
Yes, you can send. Very good, Zainab. Completed first. Very good.
Thank you, miss.
See, Zainab completed full paper. Cube and cuboid draw very neatly, children. Vignesh, do you know how to draw cube and cuboid? Acha?
Yes, miss.
Take out that pencil from the mouth. Tanish, what about you? Tanish.
Then there is second word problem.
Yes, very good. Don't write questions, only answers. Kartikeya doing?
Miss, what is the fourth one, miss?
Fourth one, draw a cube and cuboid. Not that one.
No, ma'am.
Word problems completed, Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Creating a pattern completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then show 4 into 3 equal to 3 into 4 means for 4 into 3 and 3 into 4 pictures you have to draw. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
எதுக்கு நீ ஒண்ணுலயே நிக்கிற எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு போறாங்க சப்புன்னு இறுக்கி விட்டுவிடாரு அப்புறம்
Satvik doing boy, no video. Satvik. Meghna also no video. Doing Meghna. Zainab completed full paper and she posted also, I think.
Zainab, class தானா equal to 145.
Children, last one estimation. Aniket. Bharga. What are you doing, both of you? Get back from there. Get back. Is it disturbing you, Aniket?
145 subtraction.
Total amount. Money she left.
Aravind, are you doing Aravind? Which question you are, Aravind? Tanish doing boy? Satvik. Doing Satvik?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Aravind, word problems? Okay, do. Very neatly you have to draw the pictures, very, very neatly. Children, if the meeting ends again, you have to rejoin. Who didn't complete the exam, you have to rejoin and complete the test and then you have to leave. Who completed the test, no need to rejoin. Who didn't complete, you have to rejoin.
Miss completed, miss.
Name, tell me who is
Aniket.
the name. Very good, Aniket. Post in the group and you can leave.
Okay, miss.
Sakshit video on cheyakot. Sakshit and Satvik Chaitra. What are you doing? Are you sleeping? Chaitra, are you sleeping, Chaitra? Then why did you turn off your video? Turn on your video. Boy Sakshit. See, this is the last warning I am giving you. After this, if you didn't switch on the videos, children, Sudha Miss will talk with you. 4 into 3 equal to 3 into 4 means you have to draw the pictures. Akshara,
Miss, what is the fifth one, Miss?
this one is estimate. Estimate 342 plus 576. Morning we practiced, no, Nana?
Miss, Navya Siri completed the test.
Very good, Navya. You can leave and post the pics in the group.
Miss.
Very good, Navya.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye, Nana.
Miss, I'm there at last estimated sum.
Okay. Children, if you didn't complete the test, you have to rejoin. Rejoin Aval. See if you didn't rejoin, who didn't complete, tomorrow you will not be allowed for writing DRTs. Very good, Sakshi. You can leave and post.
Miss completed by Kartikeya. Miss completed all tests by Chaitra.
Very good, Chaitra, Kartikeya, Jashvita. Very good. You can leave and you can post the pics in the group.
Miss completed by Akshara.
Very good, Akshara. You can leave and post in the group. Yakub, make it fast, Nana. Yakub, Hasini, Priya, Aravind.
Fatima's mother give her. Miss by Vignesh completed. Miss,
Test
no need to
completed,
write
Vignesh.
question. Miss, no need to write question now, Miss.
No need to write question, Nana. Okay, Vignesh, post in the group. I'm going to check now. Post in the group and you can leave. Who didn't complete, you have to rejoin.
Miss, I have a doubt.